In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tow truck services near me. If you need a tow truck quickly, especially in a busy place like New York, it helps to know the fastest and most reliable ways to search. One option mentioned here is municipal assistance through NYC 311, which can be useful if you need city-related guidance. Another practical option is to check local business listings on a trusted platform like Yelp, where you can compare nearby towing services in one place. To begin, go to Yelp's website. Once the homepage loads, you may already see a page showing the best towing services in New York, along with updated and verified listings. This kind of page is helpful because it gives you a starting point right away, especially if you need service urgently and don't want to search from scratch. Near the towing search field, you'll also see a location search bar. This is where you tell Yelp the area where you need help. If you know the exact place, you can type your address into the box. Entering a precise address can help narrow the results and show tow truck companies that are actually close to your vehicle. If you don't want to type the address manually, you can instead choose the current location option. This is often the fastest choice if you're using a phone or a device with location services enabled. Just make sure your browser has permission to access your location so the search can work accurately. After you've entered your address or selected your current location, click the search button. Yelp will then load all towing results near you. This gives you a list of local options you can review based on distance, availability, business hours, and customer feedback. At this point, you'll be able to look through the towing listings closest to your area. When reviewing results, it's a good idea to check whether a company appears active, local, and well-reviewed, especially if you need fast roadside support. Verified and updated listings can also give you a little more confidence when choosing who to contact. That's the basic process for finding tow truck services near you using Yelp. It's simple, quick, and especially useful when you need help without wasting time searching multiple websites. If you're in New York, remember that municipal assistance through NYC 311 may also be an additional resource depending on your situation.